guys, and welcome back for another video. So today's video is a Zara haul, and I also have a naked fashion unboxing as well as a discount code for you to get 30% off for new customers. So basically you can just start a new email address. So yeah, without much further ado, we'll get straight into it. It's very modest, scale friendly, and it is very much hot weather outfits I have for the most part. So I will start with the Zara items then. So the first item is this. It's actually two pieces, and you may have seen this because it's literally all over TikTok, and it is the Zara two-piece linen cord set. I really can't say that word. The two-piece set, although you buy them separately. I absolutely just fell in love with the colour of this. You know me, right? If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that green is my colour. This is like one of the most perfect shades of green. Absolutely love it. So it's got the shirt, and then there's the trousers as well, and it's a drawstring pair of trousers. They're 100% linen as well, by the way, and it's got this kind of detail here which looks like it's kind of been folded up. It's like double lined or something, I don't know, but anyway, it's so gorgeous. And guys, I'll leave everything linked down in the description box below, and I'll leave any discount codes that I've got as well, as always. But yeah, the only thing that I wasn't too impressed by is the length of the trousers. So usually, guys, Zara is way, like, their clothing is usually way too long, but this one, the trousers are a little on the short side. Even the shirt, I would have preferred it to be a little bit more oversized, so you can just size up for that. But I'm thinking even the trousers to size up to a size large, so I'm a medium, so I'm thinking to size up to a large since it's a drawstring, so I'll be able to pull the waist in, and then maybe I'll get a bit more length on that as well. But yeah, I'm USA and UK 12, and height wise I am 5'5". And yeah, I just would have wanted it to be at least 1 inch longer, and it would have been perfect. But if you're under 5'4", this set will be so perfect for you. Okay, the next item is this linen shirt. It's all linens. I'm telling you, I absolutely love linen for the summer, and that's what I pretty much live in for the most part. So this one is a, like I said, a linen shirt in black, because you guys know I love to wear black all year round, and if you're going to wear black in the summer, then make it linen, right? So this, I know it's not actually new, but they have the exact same one. They bring it back every single year, so I thought I'd just show you anyway, because I have been obsessing over linens recently. So it's really nice and lightweight. As you can see, it's quite see-through, so you really do get a nice cool breeze when you wear this. And I like to wear this over like tank tops or t-shirts, because it's just nice and flowy and allows the breeze to enter into the fabric. Okay, so it is a really small Zara haul, but we'll move on to the naked fashion items first. I'm going to start with the jewellery because otherwise I will forget it. So the first item I have here, and like I said, I've got a discount code, so I'll leave that below, is are these earrings here. So I'm very much like a chunky hoop earring girl. I pretty much have like 3 pairs of earrings, and I always seem to go for this one. Although I go for my Monica Vinader ones when I'm in the house because they're smaller. But anyway, I thought for like occasions and stuff like that, like you want to mix it up a bit, you know, so you don't look the same all the time. So I thought I'd try these. They're a little bit heavy for my liking, but you know, if it's for an event, a few hours, put it on, take it off, then that's not too bad. But I definitely wouldn't wear it as like an everyday pair of earrings. But can you see them there? So yeah, they're really, really nice and quite nice and dressy. Okay, the next item is this blazer here. Oh my god, guys, I am so happy with this blazer. So I saw this in Katie Peak's haul recently, and I just thought, whoa, it looks so stunning. It's premium, honestly, premium quality, premium price tag as well, but it's definitely worth it. So they only had it in the 36, which is like a UK 10 or a US 6, but it is oversized. They called it oversized, so I thought, okay, the 36 should be fine, and it really is. It's perfect. It's got the vent at the back as well. I just love the color because it's like a khaki tone, but quite muted, and whoa, it's gorgeous. It's really, really nice when you wear it with like whites and creams as well. It just, chef's kiss, perfect. And then we have a satin maxi skirt. So this is it here. So it's got a zip closure on the side, and it is fully maxi, and it flares out a bit as well actually, and I don't know if that's why I've been struggling to like style it, but yeah, it did go quite nice with this blazer though. I tried it with this blazer and I quite liked how it looked together with that. So really nice material, very flowy, very feminine, and really nice for the summer actually. Okay, and then last but not least, definitely not least, is this maxi dress. Oh my god, I just randomly saw it when I was looking through to see what I wanted to pick out, and yeah, I saw this dress and it is literally so beautiful. It's modest and it's so summer friendly, so it's really flowy and like pretty lightweight as well. The wrist is this elastic cuff here, so it like balloons out. And then something really nice as well. So when I first put it on, I was like, ooh, hold on, let me pull it all out. So I thought, ooh, the neck's quite, you know, pretty open. But the nice thing is you can actually, there's a drawstring here on the neck that you can, let me see if I can demonstrate this to you. So you can actually just cinch it in as much as you want, and then it just makes the neck get smaller and smaller and smaller. So as you'll see from the try on clip, ooh, gosh, I've made it really big now. So you'll see from the try on clip that, you know, I kind of pulled it in so the neck was to like the size that I wanted, and I think that's really smart actually. I wish more like outfits, more dresses would come with that, because sometimes, I mean, I personally don't like it when I have to put a top underneath a dress. I just feel like sometimes it kills the vibe, not all the time, but I do feel a lot of the time it just kills the vibe for me. So yeah, I do like that they've got this, so you can kind of have it really open if you want to, or you can have it less open. So this dress is gorgeous and it's fully maxi, super flowy, like I said, so perfect for the summer, and I actually will be living in this so much as well, so I'm really happy with that. So guys, it was a short and sweet haul. I think it's like, how many minutes? Is it even 5? Okay, I can't actually see what the time is, but oh my god. For a second I thought I wasn't recording, but it is. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, this haul. Let me know what item in here is your favorite. Do you have any of these items yourself? And if you do, please do tell me how you've been styling them as well, especially this maxi satin skirt. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already for more modest fashion content, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.